chapter, political institutions. What do you mean by the political institution? Political institutions are the organizations which create, enforce and apply laws that mediate conflicts, make the government policies on the economy and the social system, and otherwise provide the representation for the populace. What do you mean by the politics? That is something, a set of norms relating to the distribution of the power and the authority concerning the management and the control of the society to bring order in the life. So that is the particular definition of the politics, to bring order in the life, and that is all about politics. Now, what are the examples of the political institutions? Including political parties, trade unions, and the legal courts. The other one could be the parliament as well. So all these the example of the political institutions. Now let's talk about the structure of the political institution. We have basically two structure of the political institution: the formal one, the informal one. You have to remember, or you have to keep in mind, whenever we talk about the formal, so you have to remember that this is something which is properly written, and informal, no need to write anything. That is informal, we will consider it as informal. So political institution may be formal and the as well as informal at once, both can be of functions. Let's talk about the informal, mostly found in a primitive societies, rural areas, no fixed and the written rules, power and authorities. For example, Baradari system, Jirga system, all these are known as the informal institution, and both have the objectives to bring order into the society. And popularity and effectiveness of the decision are the basic structures of the informal political institution. The other one is the formal institutions. Power and the authorities are the fixed. Supreme power distributes some power to administration at a lower level, more human activities. So formal is something that you already have a scripted things, everything is properly written. Let's talk about some of the functions of the political institution. The first function is to regulate the relationship. The customs and the traditions are limited to a certain extent and cannot interpret the formal situation and the events. The other one, they do welfare works. The state is to provide the facilities of the education, health, transportations, and the communications. Protection against the danger in case of foreign internal aggressions. The state is to provide the safety to their individuals. Other one, social control, to bring the control over the individual through the laws, is to punish the violators by the state. The other one could be the provision of the recreation. In the most cases, the government organize recreational activities. For instance, the government arrange art council at the major games like football. Decision of the conflicts, courts, jails, and other means are provided by the state to decide the conflicting situations. So this is the responsibility of the political institution to make a law, and these laws are to decide the conflicts. Collective revenues. The government collect the revenues through the taxations to run its administrative machinery efficiently. Rest to the money is spent on the public welfare. Control over the resources. Political institution directly or indirectly controls all the resources of the